is the way that you left me. Side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So I'm continuing the reset today and spending a little time in the pantry. Remember I said, I'm like, okay, I can go every 6 months, every three. Girl, it's looking like once a month. It's a whole thing, but I got to give it to the holidays, I guess, that contributed to this too. Like, this is one of those spaces that it's just, I don't know. I need to be in here once a month, right? Because it never quite feels like it's together until, I get in here. Oh my goodness.
Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine?
So I had a few containers that needed to be consolidated, right? Putting some of the smaller ones into the bigger ones and then adding some things. I'm not doing anything extreme in here, pulling everything out or any of that. I'm just straightening things up and putting things back where they actually make sense, right? Because I'm just making sure that like everything, including my bacon staples, are good to go. And remember, I was saying, I think it was in the laundry room video that like hubby needs to see it. He's the one that does the food shopping. So everything needs to be so, right? He can go in and say, oh, I need this, we need this, the girls need this, right? We have our staples like Pop-Tarts, the Nutri-Grain bars, my oatmeal bars, things like that. But he 100% needs to see it. And you're going to see that we have like 4 bottles of ketchup, 3 or 4 bottles of ketchup. I was like, adios mio, oh my goodness, because he couldn't see it, right? So I just want to make it neat and tidy for everyone, including the girls.
Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me. In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me.
Remember, I think it might have been the last pantry reset, and I turned the cereal boxes over. This is perfect. It is working 100%. I love it like this, and I think they love it too. I'll be in the girls. It just feels, I don't know, more put together, I guess. Like you just walking in and everything's like, okay, boom, 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 boom on the side like that. Plus, it gives me more space. I just dropped something. I dropped something, girl. Oh my goodness. Oh, one of the applesauces. So, yeah. So it even gives me more space up top. So I'm like, oh, this is golden. I love it.
Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me.
So, you guys know, order for us, routine for us, my autism family, is key, right? If things are out of place, I feel like Kara is more me and Sydney is more hubby. Those two, those two rock together, and Kara is 100% my twin. So, she'll help me clean up, and she's just doing all the things like that mommy would do, right? But she's also my most anxious too. That's why I say she's a little like me. So, things need to be in order, almost like an OCD type of thing, more for her, along with the autism, right? So, my shoes have to be straight and neat and under the bed, or my water bottle has to be turned a certain way with Kara. And, I kind of find myself doing like some of the same things, which is so, she's me, right? But also, with a disability, we have to really be mindful. We just got to move a little bit differently. We have to be mindful of a lot of things. So, the strawberry Pop-Tarts need to be up top for Kara. You always know that. And for me, like, I want them to be in alphabetical order. So I want the blueberries up top, right? So it's a whole thing, but it's not. It is 100% not about me. It really isn't about hubby. It's all about the girls and just making sure things are flowing. And then for me, moms, we always come last, right? We always do all the things. Fix the dinners, make sure everybody eats, all the things, right? We always put ourselves last, which, but it's what we do, right? But it really is about, just having order and things. And I know I say it makes me anxious when I open a door, when I come in the door. It has to be, right in here when I walk in a door, like in a laundry room. Girl, it feels so good to just walk in a space that's not cluttered and just bins and boxes everywhere. I can't do it. It's just like that affects my mood. I feel like I said that in the laundry video. It affects my mood 100%. It's almost like me making my bed every day. I don't want to come home and see a messy bed. Even though I'm about to get in it, it doesn't matter. I need it to be, girl, it needs to be right. It needs to be right in my head, everything. Right. So yes, on that. I just switched up. I have the Velveeta and the other one, the Kraft one, rocking. I feel like Sid might like the Velveeta better when I'm not making mac and cheese, right? But she loves these with her chicken nuggets. So we just always make sure we have those on tap, right? So yeah, it is flowing. It is flowing. All things are good. I just picked up those taco kits from, I was going to say Aldi. No. Dollar General. The day I got the pajamas, yes, on the PJs, the matching PJs for Christmas for $6. So I'm all set for the end of the year. Yes, on that. I can't even say next year. It's the end of the year now. So yeah, so I'm just moving along in here. It's not too long of a video. I'm just straightening up. I'm just, making sure it's tight in here. All of my baking pans are over here and in order, right? So I'm just going to vacuum up a few crumbs and things. I feel like when this space is in order, everything feels easier. I think that's what I was trying to say earlier. It just feels easier, especially like when I'm baking. I don't want to be searching for ingredients or realizing I'm missing something halfway through. I do not rock like that. Everything has to be so. Miss Hershey girl. So yeah, you know what I mean? Like I even rearranged Hershey's things. Instead of her being off to the side right here, that space, I put all of her things like in her big container. You know what I mean? So these are the kinds of resets I really love. No pressure, no perfection, just creating systems that work for our everyday life. You know what I mean? So, yes, on that. I just wanted to get one more reset in, right? I wanted to get it done before the next big thing, which is Kara's birthday celebration. Having things in order ahead of time just makes things, it makes everything feel a whole lot calmer. You know what I mean? And just like that, one more reset is done, right? So I am floored. I'm happy that these little things are happening, and it's just nice and neat for me, and it just makes my mind feel at peace. You know what I mean? Like my look, I can't even look at that. Like, it's just so neat over here. You know what I mean? And I need to hurry up and get rid of all of this bacon stuff right here, because I feel like I'm measuring things a whole lot more. Like all of this on this shelf. Those things I buy for fun, and I hardly ever use them because I will measure something in 3 hot seconds and bake it. So I need to, try to, I don't know, incorporate it, or just, I don't know. But yeah, so we are good to go. Yes on that, and yes on essential perk apron hanging. All right, you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.